Warning: this experience and segment is not recommended for those with light and sound sensitivity. It is recommended for those who want an experience like no other. Conceptualized and designed by Ryan Doherty, Museum Fiasco, a reimagined museum, is designed to cultivate an immersive sound and light experience for its guests. Upon entering the room, it looks like a large warehouse and endless empty space. You have about enough time to take in your surroundings before the lights go out, and then you're left in pitch black silence. Then it begins. Smoke and flashing colorful lights all set to music, more subtle at first, then increasing in intensity and volume. Museum Fiasco tells a story through a collection of lights that strobe in harmony with the extraordinary soundscape, providing guests the opportunity to be still and take in the sights and sounds, or to fully engage in the energetic momentum. Museum Fiasco is possibly one of the most intense, stimulating 12 minutes that one can spend.